Hello everyone. Today we are looking into a LeetCode Problem 144 binary tree pre-order traversal. It's actually easy one, so we must know pre-order traversal. We just need to know pre-order traversal to solve this problem. So first, let's look into the example. And so we are given this particular tree node, and we need to get this particular output. So how we are getting it is, so in pre-order traversal we must consider our value first, then left node, then right node. So let me write it down. So first one is value of the particular node or root node, we can say value of the particular node, then left, then right. That's it. So by following this one, let's say we have this value, this particular tree node. First we must consider value, then add one to our list. The next one is left one. Here we don't have left, so we can move to our right one. That is 2, but I'm not writing it down 2 right directly. So here this 2 and 3 again it is a tree node, and in this particular tree node we must consider value first. That means 2. Now I can say that I can write 2. Then we must consider left. That means 3, and we don't have right, so that's why we're not adding anything, and we are done as we don't have any further values. Let's look into example 2. It's a pretty lengthy one. Okay, so here let's start with the root node. Here we are having one value. Let's add it and then move to right. Sorry, then move to left. And here we have one value. Before writing it down, we must check any other things are there. So it is having one left, one right, but as our priority is to write node value instead of the subtrace, let's write it down to, then our next value must be 4, as we must prioritize left, then right one 5, and 5 again it is a tree node, and here the value is our priority, adding 5, then left node 6, and then right node 6. Both left and right are not having any other subtrace, so we can stop it here, and let's go back to our root node, and we wrote down 2 right, so we can now write 3. And next it is not having any left, so we can write 8, and 8 is having one left, that is 9, and it is not having any right. So this is our solution. So let's this is our solution, and not solution, this is our result. And let's look into the code part. How can we solve it? So as we need to return a list, I'm taking variable with list, and I am going to take help of a helper, and I'm passing these two parameters, that is root and list. Once we are done with helper method, we can return a list. What does this helper method is going to do? Helper method, it is taking two parameters. One is root and another one is list. What we are going to do is, so first our priority is value, then our priority is left one, then our priority is right one, right? So value means we must need to add our root value to the list. Left is nothing but calling this helper method by passing root as left subtree, and we must pass list as well. And same for right, root dot right. That's it. But let's assume that root can be null, right? So we must check this particular one also. If root is not equals to null, then only we should do all these steps. That's it. Let me adjust it. Yes, this is our solution. Let's give it a try. Yes, let's submit it. Yes, that's it about pre-order traversal. So our main logic behind these three lines, how we are calling these three lines. So in our previous video, like in yesterday's video, we have seen if we place this list in between this call and this call, it will become in-order traversal. So just order of this calling methods and placing a list dot add can decide like what is the traversal. So that's it for today. Thank you.